Medical insurance cover. Introduction. Medical insurance, also known as health insurance, is a type of insurance coverage that helps individuals and families pay for medical expenses. It is designed to provide financial protection against the high costs of medical treatments, doctor visits, hospital stays, and prescription medications. Key highlights about medical insurance: coverage, premiums, deductibles, co-payments and co-insurance, network providers. Next, we see the meaning. Coverage. Medical insurance typically covers a range of medical services. These includes preventive care, hospitalization, emergency care, surgeries, diagnostic tests, prescription drugs, dental care, optical care, maternity care. Note: the specific coverage and benefits vary depending on the insurance plan and provider. Premiums. This is the amount you or the client pays for your health insurance. To maintain medical insurance coverage, policyholders are required to pay regular premiums. Premiums can be paid monthly, quarterly, or annually, depending on the insurance company and policy they have. Deductibles. These are the amount of money policyholders must pay out of pocket before the insurance coverage begins, or the amount you pay for covered health care services before your insurance plan starts to pay. In addition to premiums, some insurance companies have an arrangement where clients pay a deductible when they visit hospitals and may also be required to pay for other costs like co-pays and co-insurances depending on their insurance plans. The general rule is that policies with higher premiums come with lower deductibles, while those with lower premiums. Co-payments and co-insurance. Co-payments are fixed amounts that policyholders pay for specific services, such as doctor visits or prescription medications. An insurance plan can be in a manner wherein the insured/client agrees to bear a specific portion of the incurred medical expenses. It is usually a fixed percentage of the claim amount, which the policyholder pays at the time of a claim. Co-insurance is a percentage of the cost of a service that the policyholder must pay. In other words, it is a percentage that people pay for medical costs after reaching their deductible. For example, if the co-insurance is 20%, the policyholder would pay 20% of the cost, and the insurance would cover the remaining 80%. Network providers. Insurance plans often have a network of preferred healthcare providers, such as doctors, hospitals, specialists and clinics. Policyholders may receive higher coverage and lower out-of-pocket costs when they visit these network of service providers. Going outside the network may result in higher costs depending on the plan. The insurance companies have a pre-agreed arrangements where the clients get services on credit, then the service providers get paid later. Pre-existing conditions. A pre-existing condition is an illness or health condition that existed /you have now or have had in the past prior to applying for health or life Insurance cover. It is important to state by disclosure such conditions, if they are before the cover commences. More often insurance companies set a waiting period for the client to start accessing those specific services related to these conditions. The waiting periods depends on the type of insurance plan the client has. Note, the waiting period does not apply to other illnesses or conditions that one may have that are not categorized under pre-existing conditions. Examples of pre-existing conditions: asthma, diabetes, cancer, anxiety, depression, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, AIDS/HIV, congestive heart failure, epilepsy, severe obesity, pregnancy, severe mental disorders, lupus, sleep apnea, kidney failure, among others. In many countries, medical insurance plans cannot deny coverage or charge higher premiums based on pre-existing conditions. This means that individuals with chronic illnesses or previous medical conditions cannot be denied coverage or charged significantly more for insurance. Medical insurance premium cost. The premiums, the amount a client pays to the insurance company, are established by the insurance companies. The amount is paid once annually as a premium by the insured/client. The premium or cost for health insurance covers varies greatly on the insurance plan you choose, considering how extensive the coverage is, how much of the cost for covered services you under the plan you choose, the insurer you choose, the number of people to be covered. Types of medical insurance health plans. Below are the 8 different types of medical insurance plans. Individual health insurance, family health insurance plan, senior citizen health insurance plan, surgery and critical illness insurance plan, maternity health insurance plan, personal accident plan, corporate health insurance plan, SMEs health care plan, individual health insurance plan. This policy covers the health expenses and hospitalization expenses of individual who has taken the policy. Premium under this policy is determined as per the age of insured. Family health insurance plan. Under this policy, an individual can include all the family the insureds against multiple diseases under a single cover. Family health plan offers a fixed sum assured for the family the insureds, which can be availed by all. Senior citizen health insurance plan. This policy is designed for the senior citizens or individuals over 60 years of age, offering protection from health issues during old age. Surgery and critical illness insurance plan. This plan is suitable for the insured that requires treatment against critical illness, such as kidney failure, paralysis, cancer, heart attack, etc. As the medical expenses of these treatments are very high. Maternity health insurance plan. This policy covers costs, including pre- and postnatal care, child delivery, expenses of newborn babies. This policy is also covered for the newborn up to a certain period of time as mentioned in the plan. Ambulance costs are also covered. Personal accident plan. This policy covers hospitalization expenses in the event of an accident. SME's health care plan. SME health plan is a flexible and affordable private medical insurance for a small business regardless of the size of the company. Corporate health insurance plan / group medical cover. Corporate / group medical insurance cover is a type of insurance cover usually used by organizations which includes companies / organizations / institutions, both private and governmental organizations, to protect their employees' health welfare. Employees must be working within the same organization. The group cover. Advantages of group covers. Cost-effective, they are usually more affordable than individual covers, as the premiums are spread out over a large group of employees. Easy to qualify, they have less strict underwriting requirements than individual covers, which means that employees with pre-existing no medical exams, they do not require medical examinations for employees to enroll in the plan, making it a convenient and easy process. Employer contributions. Employers can choose to pay some or all of the premiums for their employees' coverage. This is a valuable benefit that can help attract and retain top talent. Convenience. They offer a one-stop shop for employees to get covered without having to go through the challenges of finding an individual cover on their own.